All right, what's up, guys? Shout out to the team over at Hon&Guan. They sent me over this magnetic dryer vent connector kit. This is everything that comes inside of the box. I just want to do a full unboxing here. You ever had to like move a dryer or reconnect the vent hose? You know how frustrating it could be? And this thing just makes it a lot easier. So it comes with this magnetic dryer vent connector to make the process just a lot easier. Basically, what stood out is that in each of these, they have a built-in magnetic connection system, which basically helps like connect and like realign. Pretty cool. Realign the vent without having to like wrestle in tight spaces like behind the dryer. And it also comes with like these vent hose clamps. So you have most of what you need right out of the box. This is good for like apartments, laundry rooms, or any setup where space is like super limited. Definitely super cool setup. I love that it's magnetic. It's just like, it makes everything so easy for just like connecting everything. If you guys have any specific questions, just drop them below, but that's it for this video.